Where will they go? Where will they go?
What?
Like,
leave me alone. I'm my charger. I forgot my charger. Wait for me.
Yeah,
I'm coming. I don't even see the chat. Hey, one no. This is where I already go. Don't worry now. Yeah, now. Even do this downstairs. Come here, come. Let's do one dance like that. I just remember there's one dance that they are doing now. Out dance.
Yeah, Father, they come out.
Sorry. Yeah, it's every time that you be. Where is going to? Yeah. Hey, who taught you dance before?
I be seeing for TikTok now. Nobody don't they try for TikTok. What do you do now?
I do like this now.
Nobody dance like this.
Hey, it's freestyle.
You have to do it. Hey,
What?
Oh, this way this.
No. I hate you. Everything that you're playing.
Put this up.
See, you know that boy that that boy, that my friend that boy that said like that time. I saw the boy that time. I was going to his house and I saw him. He was kissing one girl in front of his house. What was funny? I said it's not funny.
Sorry. Wait to consult. Hey, go. Don't worry. Boys plenty now.
I like the boy.
Sorry. Go look for another boyfriend. I'm not going to look for a boy by myself. We go love. You guys love that boy.
And it's fine. And you have money.
I do okay.
That boy is fine now.
That boy no have money. Just fine.
You shall fine.
Shall fine. Don't worry. Sorry.
I must not fall down.
Calm down.
No, carry me. Where do you want me to fall down? Carry me to my room, please.
To your room?
Yes.
Wow.
Sure.
Hi guys.
The sound is there.
But I want to tell them to be the finest boy on it.
Why will you tell them which one is finest? I mean, you tell them that me. I'm the most beautiful girl. Where are you going? Where are you going to?
Tomorrow do down. Tell them to be finest boy on it.
No. Who is the finest boy? Where do you think you're going to?
So can you even rate me online? Say
yes. Fine boy. That's supposed to be the best you. You get anger issue.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, your food is ready.
Oh, okay. I said the video is like, it's very funny. I like the video.
Oh, wow. Plan with you. Let me go inside. We go downstairs. Probably get what we want to get.
Yeah.
I will just go inside. I'll wait for you.
Okay. I think I like him. But I don't like him. He's my friend. Maybe I should tell him.
Bro. Somebody like this girl. Musa. I thought me this no miss for this side. Where this girl this?
Hey.
Yeah.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hope you are good.
What happened to you?
What's in? Hope you are fine.
Yeah, I wanted to tell you something.
You want to tell you something too?
Oh, what's that? Go first. I can listen.
Ladies first now.
Which one is it? Talk, Joe, for you. What I have to say is not something like that serious. Just.
I like you though. Like I don't know. You know, Dino Mabo. I don't know. I say, God, I like you, and I don't know what you want to say. But
I like you too. That's what I'm going to tell you. So.
You like me too?
Yeah, but I don't know.
But we can. What should we do now?
Sorry.
What should we do?